Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix an IP ban on Instagram. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If Wi-Fi is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you're connected to a strong and stable network. You can also try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network to refresh the connection. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. This will reinstall your network adapters and restore network settings to their default state. Your computer may restart automatically after this process. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping Windows up to date can help fix networking and security issues that may affect website access. Once the updates are complete, return to the desktop and open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key +R. Here type temp and click OK. A temporary files folder will open. Select all files and delete them. These files are no longer needed, and clearing them can help improve system performance. Then open the Run dialog again and type %temp%. Click OK and delete all the files in this folder as well. This removes additional temporary files created by applications and background processes. Now open the Recycle bin. Here click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove all the deleted files and free up storage space. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left side, click Privacy and Security. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Choose a suitable time range, such as all time, then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Click Delete Data and wait for the cleanup process to finish. Once everything is complete, close Chrome and restart your computer. After restarting, open Google Chrome again and try accessing Instagram. Sign into your account and check whether the issue has been resolved. If you're still having trouble, make sure any VPN, proxy, or network filtering software is disabled, as these can sometimes affect access to Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.